Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're cooking Munu that we caught on our rod. And so first of all, we're going to pat it dry, make sure it's dry so that it doesn't spatter when it goes into the hot oil. Then we're going to score the body in a crosshatch manner. So we go diagonally one way and then turn it and do it the other way. We're going to do this on both sides, the crosshatch pattern, and then we're going to add some seasoning. So this is just black pepper, and we're going to add a little bit of garlic salt as well. And what I do is I normally try to push it into the cuts so that it gets into the meat and the flavoring gets inside the meat. So we're going to season both sides, push it in. You can use whatever seasoning you like, but we normally just use pepper and garlic salt. So here I am oiling the steamer pan that we're going to place the fish in. I'm doing this so that the fish doesn't stick to the pan when I'm trying to take it out. So it makes it much easier. And after oiling that, we're going to put the fish into the pan. Fits perfectly. Then we're going to put the pan into the simmering water that we have on the stove, and then cover it up and steam it for a few minutes. And I'm checking on it after a few minutes, and what I do is I try to move the meat off of the bone, and if it doesn't come off flaky, then I know I have to leave it on for a few more minutes. So I close it up, leave it on a few more minutes, and then it's ready to be plated. And as you can see, it looks delicious. Gonna lift it out carefully with my spatula, trying not to lose the head or the tail, and voila. On the plate with some of our bok choy that we grew in the garden. We kind of steamed that for veggies, and while the fish was steaming, I put some peanut oil on the stove to heat up to pour over the fish. So what I'm doing is putting some green onions from our garden as well, and listen to this. That's the peanut oil that we're pouring over the fish. Makes it so good. And I'm going to finish it off with a little bit more green onions. You can also add slices of ginger or grated ginger to the fish, just to make it a little bit more tasty. But I'm going to put some furikake and it'll be ready to grind. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.